What if I told you there is a way to relieve pain, recover faster, and improve your skin without pills, injections, or endless therapy sessions? Meet the new Lumy Health Red Light Therapy Pad, your at-home wellness upgrade. Let's first unbox the Lumy Health. Inside the box, you will find the Lumy Health Therapy Pad itself, a power adapter, a simple user guide. Right after the package, it feels sleek, compact, and well designed, ready to use without any complicated setup. The build and quality. The pad features 150 to 400 high quality LEDs depending on the size you choose. Neatly arranged for even coverage, it's lightweight, flexible, and made with soft materials, so it's comfortable against your skin. The control panel is simple. You can easily adjust settings without fumbling. How to use it? Using it is easy. Simple. Wrap or place the pad on the target area, whether that's your back, knee, shoulder, or stomach. Plug it in and turn it on. The red light penetrates deep into your muscle and tissue, supporting your body's natural recovery process, helping maintain a healthy inflammation response, and even promoting skin health. Session usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes and you can use it daily. I personally use it every evening before sleeping. My experience after using it for 2 weeks. Guys, I have been using the Lumy Health Pad for 2 weeks now, focusing on my lower back and post-workout muscle soreness. The results: noticeable relief in muscles tension, quicker recovery after exercise, and surprisingly, my skin feels smoother in the targeted area. I also noticed less stiffness in the morning, and I'm really enjoying it, using it every single day. It's kind of becoming my habit. After workout and evening, I love to use it, and it's very comfortable using it every single evening. Should you buy it? If you are looking for a non-invasive way to support muscle and bone recovery, boost your metabolism, and maintain healthy skin, this should be worth it. It's FSA and HSA eligible, so you might even be able to get it using pre-tax dollars. The Lumy Health Red Light Therapy Pad offers professional level therapy, but from the comfort of your home. And for me, it's been a game changer. Where should you buy it? So guys, this product has been sent me by Lumy Health just for free, just for review. There is no kickback, but I ask for you guys a coupon code because I love my viewers. So you guys can just go into my description, click on the link and use my coupon code. You can get discount without any kickback to me. So thank you so much guys for watching this kind of amazing video. Wait for more amazing videos, and make sure to follow and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up to this video if you would love to see such an amazing review videos in the future. Till next one guys, take care of you and your family. I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.